So very fast, we're going to look at the tool that is very, very vital, to someone that really wants to delve into the world of cryptocurrency. So that tool is called your Coin Market Cap over here. Coin Market Cap. That's the tool we're going to look at. Now, it's an aggregator app, meaning it keeps track of every activity happening on the floor of the cryptocurrency market. Very, very important. So very, very fast. We'll be looking at one of few things. Yeah, it helps you to it points out you. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, it goes on to tell you the cryptocurrency that is actually topping the chart. Yeah, that's BTC. Yeah, and the one that is second, and the rest, BNB, or what BNB, Solana, USDC, SRP, the Tone blockchain, coming at position 8. So that's one of the things it tells us about the market. It also tells us the price of each of the assets that we have, and goes on to tell us about the 24-hour percentage change, excuse me, in their prices. So some are going up there, telling you that they are rising. Some are bearish, that some are bullish, and some are bearish. Yeah, thereabout. So when you see the green, it means that they're actually picking up in terms of their prices. They're going up. So that's that. Then something else you look at is uh the NFT market. We don't have coins, we also have NFT, the NFT market, So very, very important. You can also look at the NFT market, and then you could actually create some watch list. There's what we call watch list. We'll talk about that later. And then talk about the fear and greed index. Excuse me. So the fear and greed index is also a tool that we use, to gauge investor sentiment in the sentimental analysis in the crypto market. You see the red, the fear and greed index. Look at the red color and look at the green. Yeah, the green is there. So those ones tells us the red, when it's at the beginning of the red here, we'll say there's extreme fear, and when it comes to the green, G for greed, that's an extreme greed. So when there's extreme fear, that's an opportunity for you to buy into most of these projects. Yeah, investors are somehow confused, trying to make one or two decisions so you can hop in and get any asset. But when it gets to the greed, at that point, it's a correctional point where people sell off their assets at that point, and it's not actually good for you to start buying at that point. Yeah, at this point where we're recording this very video, is at that middle, meaning indecision thereabout. So but you don't use it alone to make decisions, financial decisions. You also combine with other tools to make informed decision. So excuse me. So what you need to know about CoinMarketCap is that it collates every information about cryptocurrencies. As you can look up here, it's a top 500. It collects them and helps you to know what is happening around it. Yeah. You ask, where did they collect this information from? There are a lot of exchanges where these cryptocurrencies are being traded upon. So this website, this app, collects all those information, and bring it up for you here for you to learn and know what action to take in a particular market. So that's it. So their prices are all there for you to look at. And as someone that is starting up in cryptocurrency, CoinMarketCap has what we call Coin Market Diamond, which is over here. You can use your email, create accounts, and every day you can be collecting your diamond. These diamonds can be exchanged for NFTs, helps you to participate in some projects that are trying to onboard members or onboard interactors. So they're very, very important. Every day you claim them so that you can use them to participate in such So when you scroll down, you see as I'm scrolling, you have watch list. That's for if you create a watch list for some projects. Then you have your overview. Excuse me. Overview now here is telling us the overall market capitalization of cryptocurrency, telling us that the market is worth over $2.30 trillion. Yeah, and as a whole, there is a decline. The whole market is declining by a 5.92%. So this is a very, very good information for us to know. Yeah, the market you're coming to trade to tell you the worth of it. The market cap is $2.30 trillion market cap. And then over here is telling us that Bitcoin has a dominance of over 50% of the whole market. To tell you that Bitcoin drives the market, at with a very, very huge volume. So the other percentage is shared by other cryptocurrency projects, which we call alternative coins, altcoins. So take note of that Bitcoin have a dominance of that. So Bitcoin is the king. Most time, what happens to Bitcoin? Let's say if there was a surge in the price of Bitcoin, most times other cryptocurrency projects also dance to the tune. And when there is a dip, they also dance to that. Although there are rare cases, where Bitcoin is pumping, the altcoins are also not pumping, they are dumping rather. So take note of that, very, very important. So have your NFT market. For those who are in NFT, tell you the changes, NFT. Then exchanges. These are the exchanges we have to tell you which one is top. Binance is number one, followed by Coinbase, Bybit, and the rest. So you should know, and you should know the 24-hour volume that the investors are trading on those exchanges. Binance is like $13.62 billion, 24-hour volume. We have Coinbase, 1.6. Binance is really at the top. That's just it. Yeah, we have Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, OKS, and Upbit, all to the tune of billion. While the rest, Kraken, KuCoin, are in millions. So you take note of that. That is a way of informing you of the exchanges you could be, banking on when it comes to like trade. You don't just go to any exchange to trade. Yeah, if you scroll down, you will see that you have other ones too. They are existing. But to me, I wouldn't advise you go risking your finances in most of these exchanges. You may wake up one day to a bad news that they are folded up. So look at the score, The scorecard is enough to tell you which exchange to bank on. See their scorecard? Green means you're good to go. But when you scroll up, it's changing from green to this color. Yeah, you keep loading up, You see, red means don't go there. You're there at your own risk. Yeah, take note of that. So that's the thing. Then in cryptocurrency too, there's what we call chains over here. Chains. Yeah, chains is there. We have chains and we also have categories of cryptocurrency. So let's go to chains. We have different chains you interact with, you transact with. It's either Ethereum is number one, Tron, that's what TRS, we have BSC, that's Binance, we have Solana, we have Arbitrum, and they are even telling you that TVL, for each of the chains that we're talking about is telling us they are TVL. You know what TVL stands for? Yeah. So that's not what we're up to now. But if you look at the total value that has been locked up, this is a decentralized ecosystem. And so TVL actually stands for the total value that has been locked. It's somehow used to measure the total value of assets that have been locked in a very protocol that's in that very project. Yeah, the total value of asset that is locked, and it's also is a key indicator to letting you know the overall activity and adoption within that very decentralized finance, like your Ethereum, Tron, BS, and the rest. So we won't talk much about that. we have different. Go to Google and read up all those things. What the meaning of TVL stands for. So it tells you of the ecosystem you could be looking into to invest your fund into. So you take note of that. So we have categories. Now we have different projects. We have AI projects. We have memes. We have Solana ecosystem. We have Phantom. So many of them. So here it's trying to let you know their market cap in total. Yeah, so that you know the the volume that being traded upon by them. So I may not be talking much. I'm just here telling you what as the app is, a lot of things that the app can, a lot of information that you can get from this app called Coinmarketcap. So we also have other things. You can get news, you can search for some crypto projects, and then you can manage your portfolio here too. Then you can look out for communities, what they are saying about a particular project. Those can even help you to make informed, investment decision on a project. So I think for now, I can also go back to also remind you of this coin market diamond. This coin market diamonds. I've been claiming it. Yeah, look at I have over 12,000 plus. So every day you just come and then you claim. I have 13 hours to the next claim. So you can claim consecutively for 7 days. Excuse me. So you can actually go to Diamond Rewards. This is where you can exchange them for some activities going on. The one that interests you, you can actually trade them for this. Yeah, I think I've done this NYM airdrop campaign. I've done that, and the price is 300 diamonds. So if I've accumulated up to 300 diamonds, you can risk it for such activities as this. So I think for now, I can stop here, and then let's go back to our coins, and let's tap on Solana. See Solana? Yes. Now, what can I do with this overview, with this interface? I can look up 1 hour change in Solana, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, and then 1 year. You pick an asset, you actually want to know the performance of that asset within 1 year. So with 1 year, you could see that Solana somehow touched even, look at, very low. That was around 2023, July, thereabout. The price was very low, even below $5. Below $5. But what happened? Over time, right in 2024, Solana started spiking up, and this is where we are now, this very price. So we can go back to our 1 hour change. Solana is presently at $145. This is a project that was below $10. So within a space of 1 year, you see, within a space of maybe 1, 2, 3 years, you see, the project is doing massively well. So for someone that have invested a huge fund to it, the person can cash out very huge on that. We can even change data to candlesticks, to see what is happening. So what I just did, you could change it from your normal line to your candlesticks. So if I tap on the line, it's going to change to normal line, and if I tap on that again, it's changing to candlestick. So this helps you to track what Solana is doing. This is a community, Solana community, what they are talking about, Solana. 2 hours ago, this guy was talking about the demand for Solana is picking up and is poised for a positive price. So the person is even predicting that Solana is going to shoot above the current price to around $200 and something. So you could check what other people are saying about Solana. So any news about Solana, you check out for yourself. Then market is where you can buy your Solana from. You can buy it from Binance. You can buy it from Coinbase, from OKX, Bybit, Upbit, Kraken, KuCoin, and the rest. That's the market of Solana. So that's just the meaning. So this is history. Yeah, thereabouts. So check it out for yourself. So for now, very fast, I'm ending this video. If you have a question, feel free to drop them in the comment section or ask your questions wherever platform you see me. Thank you so much.